Hey YouTube, this is Samuel Yanis. Well, I'm right here with my headset. I don't know if I'm playing with my friend, but I'm playing GTA. And, oh crap! I was just playing, and oh! Did you guys just see that? Go, go, go! But I was playing GTA. And oh, I should have recorded it. It was epic. But right now, I have to escape from the freaking cops. And, my car's also still up. Ahí está con todo. And sorry, I'm telling my dad to turn the volume up. Tapos baka di volume. And oh my gosh, alright, well, I'm gonna turn the volume down. I freaking nervous not how to. Well, I'm also just leave in the comments below which other games I should do. For the Xbox 360. I know the Xbox One games because the Xbox One sucks, it's my opinion. Just tell me I have Call of Duty Ghost, the GTA 5, Gears of War, I have Halo 3, Halo 4, Call of Duty World War, Call of Duty Ghost, Call of Duty 2, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, Call of Duty Black Ops 3, Battlefield, I forgot which one, Minecraft, Snake King, Dragons Invade, Call of Duty World at War. Yeah, that's mostly right now I'm playing GTA. My car's freaking slow. You know what, I'm just gonna go like that and just shoot him. I don't care. Shoot the driver. Shoot the driver. See, now the driver's dead. I need to shoot this guy. I need to shoot his tires. But right now I'm trying to escape, but I need to find a new car, but I only have enough time because I would die. You know what, should I just die? But I'm just gonna fight like a man or die. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, I'm not a pussy. So and wow! See, I knew they were gonna kill me fast, but I'm still trying to do my mission, Devin. Yeah. And come on. Okay, so I need to find me a new car. And sorry about the block view, my dad's walking in the way, but oh, I'm stealing that car, My car. And sure, actually I'll be here, but first we just turn the music down. Devin's right there, okay? So just go there. I forgot what Devin is, the mission. I remember. What the heck did I do now? Seriously. What the heck did I do now? Come on. Dude, this sucks. This sucks. This sucks shit. But I'm almost close to Devin. Come on. I can make it. Oh, I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. See, right now, I just escaped from the cops. It's gonna be the mission. Here's the mission, Devin. Oh, there's Trevor, but there's Trevor, Franklin, but I'm Michael. Oh, see, I'm right there. This, like the last mission I did was like this FIB mission. Basically the FBI, but it's called FIB. And skip that. Okay, I'm Franklin. Get in the car. Go to the gas station. I think I'm supposed to explode it. I'm not sure, guys, but sure I'm supposed to explode it. Like, I don't know when the video's gonna end, guys, but like, I'm actually recording on my tablet, but like I can't see the like my tablet right now because I'm paying attention to the game. But every time if it like stops recording without me telling you bye, just like pretend I said bye because like it's not my fault, okay? So just remember that. And oh, I think I remember this mission. Yeah, I'm in the right way. Run up here. I'm gonna run over this guy in the motorcycle. Ready? And oh, wrong way. See, that's what happens, guys. Oh, right. Pretty sure I'm supposed to go this way. Yeah. Ready. You playing some GTA. You driving like a boss. Yeah. I think I'm supposed to go where Trevor used to live. Because right now where I am, I'm like where Trevor's new apartment in GTA. But there I'm calling Michael. And, oh! And guys, don't mind, it's just my dad's about to walk through. Sorry about that, guys, for the blocking the video, but now, come on, how much it will take me? What was that, huh? Like, I'm putting on light right now, so if I was like the cops, I would be like, come on, man, no. But according to the map, I'm almost close to there, but make sure I'm going the right way. No, I'm not. Not going the right way. Oh, what the flip? Not my fault. It's Coca-Cola's fault. Come on, see, this is what I'm talking about. And now, I'm in the right direction. But this is the gas station I'm supposed to be at. I don't remember in here, but and I think I'm supposed to race, guys. Yeah, it's a race, I believe. I'm supposed to race the cars, but where do I, like, how do I know where I'm supposed to go? But, am I like supposed to pass through them or follow them? Don't know. Oh, what the flip? What did my tires just go out? No. But they're going away. Escaping. See, they got it. You know what, if it's, you know what? Yeah. See, look, here's the thing. Oh, come on. Gotta get close to him. I gotta beat them too and get close to them so I can shoot them. Where are they? Come on. I can do this, and not. I can't. I can beat them. No, I am gonna beat them. Did you see that? That's slow motion. Only Franklin and GTA can do that. And that's like his special ability. So where are they? They're gonna be like this. Where are they? I remember one was orange. But it says there's two. Oh, come on, what the flip? Take it away. If it says skip the mission, see the racist got away. You know what? I'm just quitting. Well, I'm still gonna play GTA, but I'm not gonna do the mission. So where am I? Oh, right here. Does that say Comcast? Oh no, okay. So I believe, I don't know, the video's gonna end soon. I don't know, but just enjoy me playing GTA until the video's over, because I don't know when it's gonna end, because I can't see right now because like I'm paying attention to the screen. So where should I go? You know what? I'm going. No, that's not a shortcut. Alright, let me see. Like about right. Where is it? Where is it? Helicopter right here. Steal your truck, son. Yeah. And also, I forgot to say, please like, oh! Welcome to say, please like and subscribe, put a thumbs up to all of my videos, and just remember, put something on the comments what you guys want to watch me play. Like, I don't care what game it is, like, I can just buy it. I don't care, just tell me and I'll play it to show you guys. And I'm also doing a show with my friend Tony Centeno. He has a YouTube channel. Yeah, well, it's kind of a copy of Smosh, but like, me decided it was gonna be awesome. Like, like my friend Tony. Wait, guys. What? Sorry about that, but and another interruption. I hate that. You guys hate when that happens. But what was I? Oh. Can I take it? No.